and I like that the hair is super bouncy. Hi guys, so this hair is from Yolova hair. I love my quick installs, so let's go. I basically put powder on the lace. I cut the lace around my hairline. I didn't bleach the knots, I didn't do anything. Parted the hair, put some mousse down, got some powder to put on my parting. And I tried doing baby hairs, but I didn't really do much. Gel the baby hairs down, curl the hair, and bam, I was done. Literally, this install took about 10 minutes, and that is what we love to see. Glueless, like always. So the hair came in this box, and in it was the hair in this satin bag, a wig cap, like always. Then they put this baby hair like to lay your edges, basically, elastic band, which is great, and a silk scarf, a satin scarf with the brand. So yeah, and then lashes. So yeah, this is what the hair came with, and it came within like a few days. And I'm in the UK, so hair normally takes a while to get to us. I think it's faster to go to the US, but the hair came in like 4 days. And yeah, this is the hair, and I love it. I curled it. I gave it some like really loose curls. Like, come on, have a look at that. Bounce, bounce, bounce. And it's body wave. It's 180% density and 24 inches. But bear in mind, I am quite tall, so it's probably gonna look longer on you. I am 5'9", so yeah. But it is a body wave, so you know, in its natural texture, it will have like a slight wave. But yeah, this is the hair. If you do have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll try to answer it. A lot of you loved the previous collab I did with Yolova hair, and that wig is still like one of your favorites. It gets so many compliments, and every time I wear it, people are like, oh my gosh, where's your hair from? Rest assured, I wear the hair at least twice a week. It's become one of my staples. So this hair will be added to the collection, and I hope you guys try it out. Let me know if you will. Let me know if you don't like it. Leave them down below, and I'll reply to all the comments. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.